summit!
Wala na ako nakikita. Bulag na ako.
Sobrang fog.
Yung aking astigmatism.
Yeah. Walang makita. Just a little bit. Ayan yung konting ano. And then there's the flag of the summit. So yeah, I think this is the highest I've ever been on land.
Sangbo Phanspang legend warmly welcomes you. For the Vietnamese people, the flag-raising ceremony has long been a deeply emotional moment,
3,143
eagerly
meters
awaited by
above
locals
sea
from all
level. I think
regions
it's
and international visitors alike.
right there.
It is an occasion that many people look forward to witnessing not just once, but multiple times. As it turns out, feelings of
Ayun,
pride
yun
and
yung
joy
hinahanap
for
yung
the
kasama
women.
kasi.
This emotion is especially heightened when the red and yellow star flag are proudly flies atop the sacred and Sakik, the roof of China. With great pride, as the host of this solemn ceremony,
Actually, it's dahil ang dami rin naming lakad. And then it's harder to breathe up here because of the thin air.